Instant gratification is one of the most powerful and beneficial assets you can have in your life and in your health and fitness pursuits. Welcome, my friend, to my YouTube channel. I'm Matt Schifferly, and I know that's usually not the rhetoric you hear in the success circles, but especially in fitness, because most experts are saying instant gratification is a bad thing, it's where your dreams go to die, and therefore you should suffer now and get the results later. But like many things in fitness, the lambasting and demonizing of short-term gratification is not so much objecting to something bad, but misunderstanding and misusing something that is incredibly good. And the reason why instant gratification is so powerful boils down to motivation. That's another thing the experts are like, motivation doesn't matter. Of course it matters. It is the foundation upon which your habits are built. If you don't have motivation to take action, you're not going to. It's as simple as that, because fitness is not just a physical pursuit, it's a human pursuit. Which means it's not enough to know the science behind diet and exercise. We also need to know the science behind human nature. And motivation and instant gratification are all part of that, and ignoring that is just the same thing as saying, eat all the junk food you want, never exercise, it doesn't really matter. And instant gratification is a serious powerhouse for increasing motivation. And it's very simple why. It's because motivation is all about perceived benefits relative to perceived costs. If you're engaging in habits that have a very high perceived cost to your time and energy and stress and everything, and you're being told, oh, the benefits are way down the road someday and maybe you'll get there, well, of course you're not going to have motivation to do those things. You can force it for a short time, but it's not a long-term strategy. But if you're engaging in habits that are like, man, this is easy. I don't have to invest a whole heck of a lot and I'm getting huge benefits, makes me feel good, makes me look good, I love this sort of thing, then that short-term gratification is going to make your motivation explode and your habits are going to follow suit. So the strategy for success is to adopt the diet and exercise habits that produce both short-term and long-term benefits. Take, for example, in my world of practicing isometrics and calisthenics. I guarantee you, I've never done a set of pull-ups while thinking to myself, boy, I'm certainly hoping this is going to pay off in 5 years, or this is going to help me be a better athlete or be able to ski when I'm 80 years old. The furthest thing from my mind. I'm there on the pull-up bar thinking, I'm getting my pump on. I'm out there on the mountain bike not thinking, boy, this should improve my cardiovascular health over the next 5 years. No, I'm like, man, this feels amazing. I'm outside. It's the thrill and adrenaline of going down this hill as fast as I can. I love what I do, and that's why I do it, not for the long-term benefits. And that's why I made the video that I did yesterday, where it was the 3 basic principles or rules for helping you identify what are the best habits for you and getting the best results that you're going to follow. Because when you understand your fundamental objectives, you use your resources efficiently, and more importantly, you go after the things that you have an affinity for or preference for in the pursuit of instant short-term gratification, that's just going to be a huge powerhouse to helping you get both the long-term benefits as well, because those are the habits that are going to work best for you. So enjoy yourself, my friends. Seek that short-term gratification in a way that also aligns with the long-term benefits, and you're going to have a long, healthy, and successful career in everything, but especially health and fitness. Be fit and live free.